I'm going to show how to replace the hard drive in an HP MS213 all-in-one computer. This is 18.5-inch screen. You turn it over, put it down on the face. As you can see, there's a little rubber fob right here. If you pop that back, turn it off to the side, inside there are two little screws. This screw here is the release for the case, the cover plate of the hard drive. Take that out. You can slide the cover plate forward. And then right down in here, there's another screw that holds the hard drive caddy in. Take that out. It is spring loaded. When you feel that pop up a little bit, you pull this handle up, pull back on the caddy, and remove the hard drive. Next, you'll want a little bigger screwdriver. You loosen these 4 screws. There are little rubber retainers that will keep them in place once you loosen them. That one's missing. Little gray rubber retainer there to keep the screws from falling out. Also a suppressor for your hum, vibration, and noise. Anyway, once you get those loose, you go ahead and drop your hard drive out. Once you have your hard drive out, you're good to go to put your new one in place. Now these seem to have a plagued issue with hard drives going out. So HP sent another one that's supposed to be all set up to go. Put that back in place. Match the holes up with the holes in the hard drive. And then reinstall your hard drive. You feel it seat as you push it in and set it down. Once it seats and you feel it plugged in, then you can tighten this retaining screw again. Replace your cover panel. And your hard drive is replaced. Now we'll go ahead and turn it on, see what kind of results we got from HP. Oh, and how nice. It even has Windows 7 on it. They're just too good to people. Anyway, I'm sure this person will be happy that their computer is back up and running.